Ever wondered what the future of driving looks like? Well, the future is here, with the 2024 Toyota Stout. As you might have guessed, we're not just talking about another vehicle. This is about a revolution on wheels, a marvel that is set to redefine your driving experience. There is an air of anticipation surrounding the 2024 Toyota Stout, and for good reason. This isn't merely a step forward, it's a leap into a new era of automotive innovation. With its eye-catching design, state-of-the-art technology, and superior performance, it promises to transform the way we drive. Our focus in this video will be to unveil the interior, exterior, and performance of this incredible machine. We'll be taking a comprehensive look at the intricacies that make the 2024 Toyota Stout a force to be reckoned with on the road. So buckle up, and stay tuned as we delve into the details of this game-changing vehicle. First, we explore what lies within the 2024 Toyota Stout. Inside this marvel of automotive engineering, comfort and technology marry in perfect harmony. The seats, tailored from the finest materials, offer a plush embrace, setting the stage for journeys long or short. But comfort is just one part of the equation. The Stout's high-tech dashboard is a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation. It's packed with intuitive features, ensuring your focus stays on the road while you enjoy the convenience of modern technology. From the climate control system that adapts to your preferences, to the state-of-the-art infotainment center that connects you to your world, every feature is designed with the driver in mind. And let's not forget the unique touches that set the Stout apart. The ambient lighting that sets the mood, the ample storage spaces for your essentials, and the noise-canceling technology that ensures a peaceful ride. That's what you can expect from the inside, but what about the outside? Now let's unveil the exterior and performance of the 2024 Toyota Stout. The Toyota Stout's design is a harmonious blend of sleekness and durability. Its body, a symphony of curves and edges, is crafted to cut through the wind effortlessly. The robust shell, a testament to Toyota's commitment to longevity, is built to withstand the harshest of weather conditions and the roughest of terrains. Under the hood lies a beast of an engine, a powerhouse that delivers an unparalleled balance of power and efficiency. It's more than just about raw strength. The Stout offers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a comfortable ride that makes every journey a pleasure. The Stout's exterior design and performance aren't just about looking good and going fast. It's about embodying the spirit of adventure, the thrill of exploration, and the satisfaction of a well-made machine. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota Stout is a marvel of automotive engineering, setting new standards for the future of driving. As we wrap up our exploration of the 2024 Toyota Stout, we've marveled at its innovative interior features, its striking exterior design, and its stellar performance capabilities. This vehicle sets a new standard for pickup trucks, combining functionality with futuristic aesthetics. It's clear that the 2024 Toyota Stout is not just a vehicle, it's a statement about the future of driving. The 2024 Toyota Stout truly is a glimpse into the future of driving. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay ahead of the curve.